Okay, I'm standing on the seawall at North Shore Park in St. Petersburg looking out to the east across Tampa Bay. I've lived here 39 years. I've never seen this. This is Tampa Bay with virtually all the water pushed out. And you can see that the seagrass and the tidal flat, mud flat out here is exposed maybe a mile out. Now this is not going to last because the storm is coming from the south and the winds are out of the north, and all of that's going to reverse itself when the storm passes us by in about 14 hours. And the wind will whip around from the west and push water back into the bay, where we're expected to have 5 to 8 feet of storm surge, which will push that water. Picture about 6 feet to 8 feet above that seawall up into this part, up into the houses on the side of North Shore Drive. So it's all good for now, but things are going to get worse. So with that, I'm signing off. I will be back tomorrow to see what it looks like flooded.